Imagine the ocean as a bustling city. Like any city, it needs resources to thrive. In the ocean, these resources are nutrients. Nutrients are like the building blocks of life. They are essential elements that fuel the growth and reproduction of marine organisms, from microscopic plankton to gigantic whales. Without nutrients, the ocean would be a barren desert. These nutrients are the foundation of the marine food web. They support the growth of phytoplankton, the tiny plants that form the base of the food chain. Phytoplankton are then consumed by zooplankton, small animals that are in turn eaten by larger fish, and so on. Thus, the flow of energy and life in the ocean is intricately linked to the availability of nutrients. Just as humans need a balanced diet, marine organisms require a variety of nutrients in specific quantities. These nutrients can be broadly classified into two groups: macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients, as the name suggests, are needed in relatively large amounts. The most important ones are nitrogen, phosphorus, and silicon. Nitrogen and phosphorus are essential for building proteins and DNA, the fundamental building blocks of life. Silicon is crucial for diatoms, a type of phytoplankton that forms an important part of the marine food web. Micronutrients, on the other hand, are required in much smaller quantities. However, they are no less important. Iron, manganese, zinc, and copper are some examples of micronutrients. These trace elements play vital roles in various biological processes, including photosynthesis, enzyme activity, and oxygen transport. Nutrients enter the marine ecosystem from various sources. One significant source is atmospheric deposition. The atmosphere, carrying dust and gases, deposits these nutrients onto the ocean surface. Rivers play a crucial role by carrying nutrients from land to sea. As rivers flow, they collect nutrients from rocks, soil, and organic matter. Upwelling is another important process that brings nutrients from the depths to the surface. Upwelling occurs when wind-driven currents push surface waters away from the coast, causing deeper nutrient-rich waters to rise and replace them. These nutrient-rich waters fuel the growth of phytoplankton, leading to a surge in primary productivity. Section 4, the circle of life, transformations in the marine nutrient cycle. Nutrients in the ocean undergo transformations, cycling between forms and reservoirs. Phytoplankton take up dissolved nutrients to grow and reproduce. Zooplankton graze on phytoplankton, transferring nutrients up the food chain. Decomposers release nutrients back into the water. Section 5. A delicate balance, pelagic and benthic ecosystems. The marine environment is divided into the pelagic zone, the open ocean, and the benthic zone, the sea floor. These ecosystems are linked through nutrient cycling. The pelagic zone hosts phytoplankton, zooplankton, and larger marine animals. Nutrients fuel phytoplankton growth. Dead organisms sink, enriching the benthic zone. Benthic organisms break down matter, releasing nutrients back into the water. This recycling supports life in the pelagic zone. Section 6. Conclusion: nutrient cycling, the lifeline of our oceans. The cycling of nutrients is the engine that drives marine ecosystems. It's a complex and delicate process influenced by a multitude of factors. Understanding nutrient cycling is crucial for managing our oceans sustainably. Human activities such as agriculture, industry, and sewage disposal can significantly alter the balance of nutrients in the ocean. Excess nutrients from these sources can lead to eutrophication, causing harmful algal blooms, oxygen depletion, and ultimately harming marine life. By understanding the intricate web of interactions in the marine nutrient cycle, we can make informed decisions to protect this vital life support system. The health of our oceans depends on it.